welcome to Brownie May Bakes. Today I'll be I'll be making. Let's try that again, shall we, team? Welcome to Brownie May Bakes. Today I will be making a Waldorf salad soda bread. So it's not actually a salad, it's a bread, but with the ingredients of a Waldorf salad. So we've got the fresh apples, the raisins, and the walnuts. I decided not to go for grapes because I wasn't sure if that was going to work. In here we've got 500 grams of plain flour with 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 2 teaspoons of salt. In here we've got 400 mils of buttermilk. If you can't get buttermilk for whatever reason, you can use milk and add a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice to it, and then you leave it and it becomes, leave it just for a few minutes and it becomes buttermilk. So there's a little handy tip for you if you can't get hold of that. We're going to add a couple of tablespoons of golden syrup to the buttermilk. So this just adds a little sweetness to the bread, along with the apple. We don't want too much, so just 2 tablespoons of golden syrup into the buttermilk. And then we're going to pour this into the flour. We're going to mix it round until we get a nice soft dough. Soda bread is just the easiest bread to make. It's so quick, so easy. Right, I'm now going to chuck in the other ingredients. We're going to chuck in the raisins. So that's 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of chopped walnuts, and then you're going to add in your apple. So I've got two chopped red apples here, but I think we're probably only going to need half of that. Just going to tip it out onto a floured surface. Knead it very, very briefly. That's a good thing about soda bread, it doesn't need very much kneading. Bit of extra flour. Make sure those bits are in there nicely. Right, and then try and form it into a bit of a ball. The bits, you know, they will poke out, but that's fine. And we're going to pop it straight onto our baking tray. Make sure our bits are poked in nicely. And then we're going to slice across the top one way, slice across the top the other way, so that you have a bit of a cross going on. Like that. And that's it. It's going to go in the oven now for 40 to 45 minutes until it's all nice and crispy, but still soft and gooey on the inside. Okay, and here it is, the finished Waldorf soda bread. Let's have a little slice into it. It smells really yummy. Oh, it looks good. So you've got the apples inside, which have melted a little bit, and you've got the raisins, and it's just super delicious. If you like the recipe, please do like down below and subscribe, and we'll see you very soon on Brownie May Bakes. Thanks very much. Bye.